Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you guys hear that really loud, rowdy car behind me, that's my buddy Tony and his 370Z, and we just got an exhaust done. I'm gonna show you guys a little snippet of it. Stay tuned for the video, and I hope you guys enjoy everything. Jesus, that thing is ridiculously loud. So my buddy Tony turned around and he had his 370Z is full bolt-ons, making 340 some wheel horsepower. God bless! That thing's so loud. Anyway, so he turned around and he had a Gretty single back exhaust. He didn't like it. He liked what the GTRs had, which was the quad tips. So he went with that. And I have to say, holy crap, that is ridiculous. That is insane. Oh my god. Dude. Oh my god. But yeah, guys, so we're gonna hopefully get some video of him doing a two-stepping and all that, because he's got that. Thanks to Z1 Motorsports for hooking him up with a tune. Thanks to Fat Boys Custom Exhaust. If you're located in Columbus, Georgia, or the surrounding area, hit him up. Great deals on making custom exhaust, and as you guys can see, it is ridiculous. And for anyone who wants to know his setup on his exhaust, he has ISR headers, and then he has dual straight pipes. I think they're 3-inch all the way back to the quad tips. So if you guys are looking for something like that, or that sound, there you go. And the crazy thing about it, it doesn't even sound like really trombone-y. I think what makes 370Z sound like a trombone is when they do obviously the dual headers, because they have to have headers on each side because of the V6. But then when they turn around and they put it into one, and then they bring it out, and then they go either single exit or dual exit. I think when you do one pipe per bank of headers, I think that's when the trombone sound stops or reduces as much. So, but like I said, he's got full bolt-ons, and he's looking at going E85. That'll put him at 365. Once he does that, or roughly 365, I should say, once he does that, then he's gonna go supercharger and be able to blow people out of the water. Hopefully pushing right around 500 is his goal, but we'll see. So Skyla's gonna be right there too. It's gonna be awesome to see what a Nissan supercharger and a Nissan turbocharger cars go against each other and how they do. So if you guys think the Skyline's gonna win or the 370Z is gonna win, comment down below who you think is gonna take home the win once the cars are done. We're talking probably, hopefully like November time frame when we do this race. But anyways, guys, we're heading back to the apartments right now. He's got to drop a heat gun off to me, and then we're gonna be doing hopefully a two-step. So hopefully it doesn't break the mic. That's crazy. Yep. All right, guys, so here's a walk around of my buddy Tony's 370Z. It's a 2014, and he's got pretty much every bolt-on you can imagine besides, like I said, E85. He's got the Cooler Works short shifter in here as well. Then you walk around, he's got the Stillen intakes. What else do you have done to it?
I have ISR long tubes. I have ported upper manifold, ported lower manifold, Z1 velocity stacks, dual design air guide, pretty much all bolt-ons except for cams, and then bigger injectors, which in July we should have those. And then for Z1, is there a certain stage tune that they've done on this, or is it just all custom tunes? So it's all custom. I'm pretty sure it's all custom, but it's up rev, and John up there at Z1 works his magic, so he has ended up able to crank out 346. Okay. And then these are Inky Raijins. It's Japanese for God of Thunder.
And they're wrapped in Federal 595s. They're 18-inch. The tire specs themselves, if you guys are wondering, is 265, 35, 18s, 19s? Oh, I'm sorry, 19s. And then as you guys can see back here, so like I said, he has single exit straight pipes for both headers. And if you guys are interested in a Gretty exhaust, he has his for sale, so just hit me up in the comment section below. But he will be getting his spoiler in. Like I said, he'll be running E85 with the injectors, hoping to push right around 360. I think he'll make that easily. And then also he'll be doing a supercharger hopefully down the road. I told the fans here that hopefully by November timeframe both cars will be at 500 and we can do a good old classic pull 40 to 140.
Hopefully the best man comes out on top.
In the Nissan, that's what you gotta say. In the Nissan, yeah. So, but yeah, this is a walk around. I appreciate you letting me review over the car and stuff like that, and maybe one day we'll take it for a ride. So, all right, guys, that's pretty much the end of the video. I'm gonna give you a little update on Skyla. Currently, I just ordered the manifold as of today. Today is May 30th. May 30th, yeah. So I ordered it today. They said it'll be here by June 9th. Hopefully it'll be a little faster than that. After that, the next thing I gotta do, which is gonna be when I get paid next, is gonna be the retune by RS Enthalpy. I'm gonna get that. I gotta get a Z32 MAF, because I think my MAF is what made Skyla injure herself, I guess. So, but anyways, guys, like I said, go check out Fat Boy's Custom Exhaust if you're in Columbus, Georgia, or surrounding areas. He does awesome work, and as you guys can see, he can make your car sound beautiful. Sounds so good. Anyways, guys, like I said, that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed today's content. If you did, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell icon for notifications, and leave an awesome comment down below. Other than that, guys, I hope you have a great day, and let's go for a ride.